Orange Mound is the first community in America built for blacks by blacks. Orange Mound filmmaker Anthony F. Elmore notes that Orange Mound suffers Memphis' worst white supremacy, racism, and black-on-black racism. Watch the scenes from the movie talk about Orange Mound and the civil rights movement. One of the most important civil rights leaders in Memphis was the Reverend Roy W. Norworthy, the pastor of the historic MT Moriah Baptist Church. You see, racist whites opposed to integration in 1958 attempted to bomb the church in retaliation of Reverend Norworthy's vocal support for civil and human rights and for the congregation's decision to allow the NAACP to use the church for public meetings. Now, look at the 1959 picture of Reverend Roy W. Norworthy wearing the shade standing beside Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. Clearly, the historic Orange Mound, MT Moriah Baptist Church was on the forefront of supporting the volunteer ticket. You see the Sugarman sign behind Dr. Martin Luther King. In the front of them, the sign reads Hooks and Sugarman. Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. enjoyed coming to Orange Mound, and he would come there to get his hair cut and enjoy eating soul food and experiencing the culture of historic Orange Mound.